The NVIDIA Online Deep Learning Institute, run by Scan and certified by NVIDIA, offers hands-on instructor-led training for developers, data scientists and researchers looking to solve challenging problems with deep learning and accelerated computing. And on the 25th of March, we have an all-day online DLI course covering the fundamentals of deep learning for working with multiple GPUs. And our partners Run AI, who recently raised $30 million for its AI compute platform, will be back as our fantastic guest speakers. Run AI, who'll speak on the day, are one of Scan's AI ecosystem partners who help businesses run deep learning experiments at maximum speed and cost efficiency by optimizing, distributing and managing your training workloads with their virtualization software for AI infrastructure. On the day, you'll learn how to scale deep learning training to multiple GPUs, covering the following topics: approaches to multi-GPU training, algorithmic and engineering challenges to large-scale training, and key techniques used to overcome the challenges mentioned above. Upon completion, you'll be able to effectively parallelize training of deep neural networks using Horovod. To take part in this course, you'll need to be competent in Python programming language and have some experience of training deep learning models in Python. The course is available to book today at the discounted price of £75, and to register for your place, simply click the link below.